Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Renault Arkanna here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen on the dash in front of the steering wheel. And from here, we're going to press the little menu button up here. Press it once, it'll take you to tyre pressure. Have it there, and then hold down OK. And if pressure's OK, so first make sure your tyres are all pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you're going to hold OK. Keep holding, and then operation complete. So now it's reset your tyre pressures to whatever you pumped it up to, and that's it.